Why do the biggest global brands like Apple, Adidas, Tesla, General Motors, and others choose to manufacture their products in China? At first glance, the answer might seem simple: lower costs. But when you dig deeper, it becomes clear that there's much more to the story than just cheap labor. China has evolved into a manufacturing powerhouse through a mix of strategic policy decisions, workforce development, and innovations in technology. But how did China get here, and what makes it so attractive to these companies? Let's rewind to the late 1970s. At that time, China's economy was a fraction of what it is today. The country's GDP in 1978 was only $200 billion, contributing just 4% to the world's total economic activity. In contrast, China's current GDP has exploded to over $17 trillion, making up nearly 18% of global economic activity. This incredible transformation is thanks to a series of calculated moves in one key sector: manufacturing. To understand the full scope of China's manufacturing dominance, we need to start with one simple question. Why China? What makes it so appealing to the world's largest brands? And how did it rise to become the manufacturing hub of the world? Many people assume that China's allure comes solely from its lower labor costs. But as Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, explained, this is no longer the case. China stopped being the low labor cost country many years ago, Cook said. The real advantage lies in China's well-developed supply chains, its abundance of skilled workers, and the highly specialized nature of those skills. This combination of a skilled workforce and a robust supply chain ecosystem didn't just appear overnight. It was built over decades of deliberate government policy, international partnerships, and technological development. Before the 1980s, China had a centrally planned economy, isolated from much of the world. However, things began to change in 1978 when China embarked on a bold journey of reform and opening up under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping. The country transitioned to a more market-oriented economy and welcomed foreign investment, sparking a period of rapid industrialization and economic transformation. It was during this time that many foreign companies saw the potential in China and set up shop there. Some companies have been so successful that they now operate their largest manufacturing plants not in their home countries, but in China. One such company is Voith, a German manufacturer of paper machines and technical equipment. Founded over 150 years ago, Voith has a strong presence in China, where it set up its first joint venture in 1994, just outside Shanghai. The company played a crucial role in transferring advanced German engineering and technology to China, contributing to the rapid growth of the country's paper industry. Voith is just one example of the long-term strategic partnerships between China and foreign enterprises. The company's success is a testament to China's ability to integrate foreign expertise into its own industries. Voith's large pre-assembly plant in China looks like a building from the outside. However, it's just one machine, capable of producing the very paper you might use every day. The sheer scale of operations like this highlights China's capacity to manufacture on a massive scale. Another example of innovation in these high-tech parks is a sunglasses company that allows customers to customize and modify their orders online. The order information is sent directly to their factory in China, where the product is manufactured and shipped back to the customer. This kind of customization is becoming increasingly common, allowing companies to avoid overproduction and better meet customer demand. As China continues to push the boundaries of innovation and manufacturing, it's clear that the country has built a robust foundation for sustained economic growth. The combination of government support, a skilled workforce, vast natural resources, and a highly efficient supply chain has positioned China as a global manufacturing leader. Companies from all over the world are eager to tap into this ecosystem, reaping the benefits of China's unparalleled manufacturing capabilities. As China looks to the future, its focus on innovation and collaboration will continue to drive its success. The country's ability to adapt to the needs of the global market, coupled with its strong partnerships with international companies, ensures that it will remain a dominant force in the global economy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and until next time.